In this problem, we want to solve this absolute value equation. So we got the absolute value of 7x plus 1 is equal to the absolute value of 4x minus 3. Now, how you handle it when there's an absolute value on both sides is you drop one of your absolute values. It doesn't matter which one. So I'll drop the one on the right side. And that gives us this. Now it's in our proper form. We got the absolute value of something is equal to something else. So what's inside our absolute value will be our p, and the other side will be our q. And our formula says p is equal to q, and p is equal to negative q. So everywhere we have a p, we'll put in 7x plus 1. Everywhere we have a q, we'll put in 4x minus 3. So we got 7x plus 1 is equal to 4x minus 3. And we got 7x plus 1 is equal to a negative 4x minus 3. Now notice I put the 4x minus 3 inside of parentheses here. That negative is going to end up flipping the sign of everything inside, which we'll see. Okay, so let's solve this one first. First step is get rid of parentheses. This is a linear equation at this point. First step is to get rid of parentheses. Don't have any. Second step is to get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Third step is get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other. So I'm going to take the 4x and move it to the left side. And I'll take the 1 and move it to the right side. Remember, when you take anything across your equals, your sign changes. So the positive 4x becomes a negative 4x. The positive 1 becomes a negative 1. At any step, combine together like terms. 7x minus 4x is 3x. And also combine together numbers. Negative 3, negative 1 is negative 4. Last step is to divide both sides by a number in front of your x, which is a 3. I'm going to do that. These 3 is going to cancel. And we got x is equal to negative 4/3. Now we want to solve this other one. Our first step is get rid of parentheses. In this one we have a negative before our parentheses. So I'm going to take that negative and it's going to flip the sign of everything inside. It's like multiplying by negative 1. So we got 7x plus 1 is equal to the 4x becomes a negative 4x. The negative 3 becomes a positive 3. Second step, get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Third step, get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other. So I'll take the negative 4x and move it to the left side. And I'll take the 1 and move it to the right side. Remember, when you take anything across your equals, your sign changes. So the negative 4x becomes a positive 4x. The positive 1 becomes a negative 1. Combine together like terms at any step. 7x plus 4x is 11x. Combine together numbers at any step. 3 minus 1 is 2. Last step is to divide both sides by a number in front of your x, which is 11. We're going to do that. These 11 is going to cancel. And we get x is equal to 2/11. And those are our answers.